Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make chicken fried rice in the most simplest way. So let's get started. So for the fried rice I'll be using leftover rice. This rice is a leftover from the lunch, okay? And now let's start with the cooking. Now for the fried rice, you have to be ready with all your ingredients. So here I've taken all the vegetable. This is half carrot that I've cut fine. Then capsicum the same way. Bell pepper red and yellow. 6 to 7 garlic cloves. Ginger around 1.5 inch. And I've also taken mushrooms. So I'll be adding mushrooms also. So you can skip it. You can use any vegetable you want. You can use beans as well. And I'll be using boiled chicken. Okay, so once my iron wok is hot, I'll be adding in oil. I'm adding in 2 eggs and I'll scramble it. Okay, so we'll need this scrambled egg for later. I'll take around 1.5 tablespoon of oil, in which I'll be adding in the chopped garlic cloves and ginger. And then soon after that I'll be adding in 1 Kashmiri chili. You can add in green chili as well, but I like the smoky flavor of the Kashmiri chili. Okay, once it gets brown at the edges, I'll be adding in carrots. We'll just wait for the carrot to cook for around 30 seconds to a minute. Alright, soon after 1 minute, I'll be adding in the mushrooms. I'll let the mushrooms stir fry. Okay, so once the mushrooms have been stirred fried for around 30 seconds, I'll add in red chili sauce. Now this should be around a tablespoon. And then we'll be adding in the rest of the vegetable, that's the capsicum, bell peppers and the boiled chicken. Here I'll be adding in salt as per taste. So I've added in around a teaspoon of salt here. So just give it a mix. And I'll be adding around half a tablespoon of soya sauce. Post which I'll be adding in our rice. So all this while the flame was on medium low, okay, because my pan was super hot, and I'll just give it a mix. Okay, one more thing I'll be adding in is black pepper. So I've freshly ground black pepper. Okay, now we'll just give it a mix, and our fried rice is ready. Okay, just make sure that you mix it from the bottom so that it doesn't get burned and the rice doesn't break. Okay, we'll add in our eggs. Okay, that's it guys. The chicken fried rice is ready and now we can serve it. Alright, so guys, the chicken fried rice is ready. Okay, do let me know how you like the recipe and how you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. Do try it out. It's a very easy and a simple recipe. Till then, my name is Stan. You take care. Bye bye.